So, good morning friends, myself I am Harde. Today we have see the impact of jet case 2. In that case, we have see the impact of jet on inclined fixed plate. So, which is having angle theta. So, let's start. So, next is a when plate is inclined perpendicular to the jet. So, in that we see the when plate is inclined and perpendicular to the jet. So with the help of that, draw the neat sketch of impact jet. So let's see the questions. Draw the neat sketch of impact of jet on inclined fixed plate and write down formula for various forces exerted on it. So consider a fixed plate inclined at an angle theta. So as shown in figure. So let's see the jet. So first we draw the figure A, B, C 4.3.2, 4.3.4. फिगर झाली की मला सांगा. So in that case, nozzle is the plate is inclined as shown in figure, that is a theta. So consider the flat plate inclined at an angle theta. V is the velocity of jet in the x direction. So resolution of velocity normal and parallel to the plate as shown in this figure. So V cos theta and V sin theta. Let V is in the direction of jet, V sin theta is along the direction of jet, V cos theta is the normal to the jet. So final force jet is 0. So first is a normal force on the plate is using impulse momentum action. Normal force in the jet is given by force is equal to rho a v into v sin theta. So minus 0. So force is rho a v square sin theta. So Rho a v square sin theta is a normal force. Write down that. Next is a force on plate in x-x direction and y-y direction. So let in x-x direction the force is Fn sin theta according to trigonometry formula. So with the help of that we can complete this task. So next is a normal force. So Fn is a normal force along the direction of z. So Fy is a Fn cos theta. So Fn is a rho a v square sin theta into cos theta. So rho a v square sin 2 theta divided by 2. So in this way rho a v square 1 plus cos theta, it is value of Fx and Fy. So the ratio of tangential to the plate. This question asked in two exam papers. Let Q1 and the Q2 be the flow rate of take out the stream of jet from plates. So Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. The resultant force in tangential direction applying zero momentum equation. So rho 1 Q1 V1 is equal to rho 2 Q2 V2. So rho QV cos theta. So Q1 minus Q2 is equal to Q cos theta. By solving this equation, Q1 is equal to Q by 2 1 plus cos theta. Q2 is equal to Q by 2 1 minus cos theta. So here, with the help of that equations, these are the procedures of this plate is inclined to the jet. So write it down. झाला असेल मला सांगा. So let's see the problem. So in that समर आकरा, a jet of diameter 80 mm moving with velocity 20 meter per second on a stationary plate. Find the normal force on the plate if the angle between plate jet and plate is 30 degree. So let's see the solutions. So velocity in the direction of jet is v sin theta. So Fn is equal to m into v sin theta minus 0. So rho a v into v sin theta So normal force is m into v sin theta. So 100.53 into 20 sin 30, that is 1005.3. So this is your required answer. So write down first, don't draw the diagram. So next problem is a jet of water 75 centimeter moving with velocity 25 strike on the plate in such a way that the angle between the plate is 60 degree. Find the force exerted by jet. So first plate is direction up to the plate, second is the direction of jet. So next is so in that way v is the velocity in x direction, v is the velocity in normal to the direction v sin theta. So velocity in the direction of jet parallel to the plate, so v cos theta. So with the help of that, Fn is equal to m dot into v sin theta minus 0, that is 88.36, which is m dot mass rho a v. So with the help of that, the force is 1530.4 Newton. Second is force exerted by jet in the Fx. So Fx is equal to Fn sin theta. So with the help of that, this is 1525.4 Newton. So in this way, this answer is coming. This is an example of second case. Write down 4.4.8. लिहून झालं की मला सांगा. ठीक है. In this way we are complete the second case. Next case,